Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Good morning. It is now 11 a.m., the deadline for bid submittal. Bid announcements are not final and binding upon the city. They are all subject to review for completeness, accuracy, and compliance with all the terms and conditions provided in the bid specifications. The bidder must bid all line items set forth on the proposal pages, except to the extent that the specification allows otherwise. In the event that a comparison of the bidder's unit price and total price submitted for any line item reveals a calculation error or other discrepancy, the unit price will prevail. The Chief Procurement Officer reserves the right to correct minor math errors and accept minor variances in a bid. This is an e-procurement bid opening. Electronic bids will be read first. Paper bids aren't allowed. Today's specification number is 373766, RFQ number 7684. Bird Deterrent Maintenance and Services. Your procurement specialist is Amanda Gooch. I will be going to the back of the office reading the bidders in the total base bid. We have one bidder for today, and that's Wild Goose Chase, with a bid of $7,904,558.00. Repeating, $7,904,558.00. This will complete our bids for today. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your afternoon.